Yes, a lot of you guessed right.
Hello all, my name is Chris and welcome to my channel. In today's video we will focus on this.
The COPART rebuild, a 2009 SL550 facelift. Yes, a lot of you guessed right, and let's see what we can do to save this one.
So this is what the car looked like when I found it, and I could not see anything wrong with it. I looked and looked on all the pictures I could find and everything looked straight and great. The only thing I could see was like the wheel is leaning a bit upwards, but that's it. So I just had to buy this one, and when I received the car, yeah, that was the only thing wrong with the whole car, except missing the bumper and the fender, of course, and the headlight was actually in the boot. So this is the only thing that was wrong with the car. This was a little bit bent, so all I had to do was replace this one. So here, as you can see, I got the replacement part. I found a used one very cheap, and here I start to dismantle everything, remove the bolts. More pieces have been dismantled. And here I have replaced it with a used one, and everything is bolted in place. And as you can see, this centerpiece is really bad, so I will replace it with the one that came with the car. Here it's removed. I will also remove the plate and install the one that came with the car, because this one is slightly different actually. And that's it for the damage. So the car is repaired, and all I have to do now is to put back this plastic piece, put the calipers back, and actually remove the old battery and replace it with a new fresh battery. And here everything is back in place, and I also test fitted the fender to see that everything fitted perfect and it was aligned. And as a final thing for this video, here is the OEM battery that will replace the old battery that have a dead cell. And here the new one is installed. So that's it for this video. I hope you liked it. And here you can see a few things I have planned for this project, and of course for the upcoming videos. And in the next video I will show you how to install this SL63 AMG bumper that I got for the car. Till next time, see ya!